Here is my Module 2 Java program video. So, I implemented the classes in the previous ones. Java customer service and sign up. In customer, for the customer, I did customer name equals new customer, and then parentheses, and then I did semicolon for each customer. And then I did service object. I did each service, and then I did the name, and then it equals new service, parentheses, semicolon. And then for sign up sheet object, I did sign up, and then the name of the customer, and then list, which tied together the customer and the service together in the sign up, and new sign up, parentheses, and you can see semicolon. And I ended the object declaration, and I filled in the customer information, like Joe, set first name Joe, and I did the same, last name Smith, set address 123 Main Street, set phone number, and then I did the phone number, and then I did the same for all the other people. And I filled out the service information, like the set service type, set service description, set service cost, which is the type is the name, description is the description of the services, and the set service cost is the double array, and you see right there is a dollar amount, 20.0. And then I set services for each person. So I did one with no services, I did one with all four, I did one with one and one with two, and then I did set up objects. So let's set customer Joe services, Jane services, or set services, set customer is the name, the customer, first name of the customer, and then I create a service for Lupin, set array services, and the name lists, Joe list, Jane list, Bob list, Janelle list in order, and then for int J equals 0, J services, length, J++, and it's just outprint customer, and it's just outprint outline customer name, plus services dot get customer dot get first name, plus services right there, plus services J get customer get last name, and I did services J get customer, and I did get address, get phone number, and then printed it outline, and I did this, and then I did for services I did system outprint outline services on top, and for int I equals 0, semicolon I is less than services J dot get services dot length I++, and then outprint I+1 for source number, and then I did services J get services parentheses I dot get service type, and the same thing, get service description, get service cost. That's my old code. That is all just commented out, but I could remove that code. And then I'm going to run the code, and it should be running now. Yep, and there it is. You can see the customer is Joe Smith, services none, customer Jane Doe, her service Hedgehog, Bob Jones, his services Hedgehog and lawn mowing, and then Janelle Johnson, her services Hedgehog and lawn mowing, they're playing weed killing. And there you go. So that is what I did for my code, and it runs flawlessly like I expected. So there you go.